In this video, I'll show you how to add text in Paint.net. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright guys, open up Paint.net if you haven't already. And now, to add text to this image here, you just can't put text in there. What you need to do is create a layer and then put text in this image. So to create a layer, go into your layers box here. If you don't see this layers box, you can enable it by the top right hand corner here, and then click on the little plus sign inside layers. So you're now in layer 2, and now go ahead and click on select the T here, and now put the text inside this box here or wherever you'd like to put it. And now before you type, you can change the font. So click on font and now choose which font you'd like to use. So I'm going to use this one here, and then you can change the size also, and also you can make it bold and etc. So if I write test, you can see I've written some text in here. You can change the color of this by in this color box. You can change it to whatever. Keep it, I reckon, red. If I want to make it bigger again, just select this size and I'm going to make it 48. And another thing, so say if I want to hit enter and then type in test again, there's no way I can change this color here without changing the top line and the bottom line at the same time. So there is a way around this. So what you can do is go back here, add a new layer with text here. So you're on layer 3, click on text, click under here and choose a color. It's still the same font size, and if I type test here, there you go, it will change the color but not change the top color too, and you can move it, drag it, move it around and do fun stuff like that. Once you've done that, click on finish. And yeah, that's it guys, how to add text inside Paint.net.